Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute that I haven't done any makeup looks, but I've really been enjoying more like shopping, fall shopping, trying to rearrange this room, picking up stuff for the room. Not so much with the heat doing any makeup looks because again with the masks it's kind of hard to, you know, get into it and then have to cover everything up. But I picked up this palette. It's so beautiful. Looks like this. Look at this palette. This is a Kara duo palette. It's called Bailey versus Kylie. Looks like that. This was at Tjmaxx for $9.99, and look at these colors. Look at those colors. Oh my god. So this is the look that I did. As you can see, I didn't have to put any powder because I feel like Kara palettes don't have fallout. So this, I used this side here, and I have this color here. This color here, I have this color, I have the blue, and then I added like a tap of the yellow with this green in the beginning. So these are the only colors I have on. I will be doing a look using this side pretty soon, but I wanted to show you guys because I haven't really been finding anything that I'm like, wow, I need this in my life when I go to Tjmaxx or Marshalls. But I did find this one this week when I was just looking around, so I wanted to show you guys. I picked up this, and this is the look that I did. If you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is the final look. It's using this palette, which I picked up, Tjmaxx. Love the colors. And as you can see, there was no fallout when I was putting it on. I wanted to do another look. I know I've been doing a lot of like hauls and stuff, but I'm not really, I don't know, I think with the heat and everything and the masks again, I'm not really feeling wearing so much makeup. I'm doing like my brows and stuff and leaving, but I wanted to do this look. I wanted something a little bright again. This is probably something similar to what I have, but I wanted to do it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here and you stood to the end, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting my what I'm wearing right now in a minute. I'm gonna go take a picture. I'll post it as well so you can get the gist, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.